Hey everyone, how's it going? So I have this new tail light from Hansshow. Sorry about that noise. So this just arrived and we'll be installing this in the next coming video. And you can just guess what it is now. I'm going to show you anyways. So these are the Xtreme tail lights that has been pretty popular lately. Alright, I'm gonna unbag this. It's the first time I'm seeing this, so we're gonna witness this together. Let's take a look at this. You've probably seen these on some videos already, but no video have shown you how it looks like close up. And you can't really tell how it looks without getting this close up. The attention to detail of this tail light is definitely something to be noticed about, because in a lot of the YouTube videos that show this light, they show it from a distance. I'm showing you guys up close, so you know what you're getting when you place an order on these. And guess what? It's DOT stamp. So it's regulated. It has the SAE 1ST. So you can see, I'm not sure if you can see that. Let me focus on that. But it is DOT certified. So it is legal in the States, and I believe in many European countries and many other countries outside of US and Europe itself. So the two pins there, and then you have your two bolts that goes on here, or two nuts that goes on onto this bolt. And there's your plug and play. You do have to run this wire. It should come with extension wire. Yeah. Let's take a look at this. So you do have to cup the wires up to the actual lift gate, or the trunk on your Model 3. So Model Y is the lift gate, but the wires are pretty small, so you can easily fish it through, especially for the Model Y, or you can have it run separately and then just use some cloth water resistant electrical tape and it will just look just fine. So we'll do this install and show you how to do this in a separate video. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell. So let me show you the inner light. Yeah, there's a lot of background noise because of the cushioning they have for this light. So this is the inner light. And just to show you in depth, close up how this looks like. It's also DOT certified if you're interested. If for those that are worried whether it's DOT certified or not, these Xtreme are. It just looks very high quality. You can see the diamond brake lights there. It looks pretty good actually in person. So there's the inner indicator. I'm thinking, since the indicator is so small here, do we really have to fish the second wire through? So if you just want to do plug and play and not have to fish anything through, we'll test that out actually to see if it actually works without having to fish that extra line. Because to fish it to the trunk, the only function it has really is the startup sequence and then the indicator. But I don't really care about the startup sequence, and the small indicator light, the signal, the sequential, this is so small that people probably won't even notice the difference. And then it continues on here on the outer tail light. But yeah, this plastic feels like OEM. It looks to be scratch resistant for sure. They have a coating on top of this. And then this is the right, this is the left side. This is the right side. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, here's the extension wire. You see there? So they have the extension wire that goes from these taillights to the actual inner taillight. So through your actual trunk or your liftgate. But let me take this out and put it next to the inner light so you can see it together. Let's take this off. So when it closes together, the trunk or the liftgate, that's how it looks like. There you go. So I don't think there's any video out there that gives you this close perspective of these lights. But you can see there the depth of these diamond brake lights looks absolutely amazing. Looks very premium. It is tinted. You can see the lens is tinted, but it's not too dark. And once it lights up, it's just a perfect red and amber. So these are amber indicator. You can see there, the indicators start right there and it continues along to the corner tail light. So that's the only function with the extra wires going into it. So we're gonna try it without first and see how it works, because I'm not a big fan of trying to fish that wire, but if you need to fish it, you want to fish it, then that's fine. I just hate fishing stuff, but it's possible. It's pretty easy actually in the Y. The 3 is definitely not possible. You're gonna have to actually have an extra wire next to that harness, the OEM harness. So if you're interested in this, definitely check out the link in the description. We also have a discount code on this channel that you can use for extra saving. And they do have these in stock from what I'm aware, and you can get it within 1 to 2 weeks right now. So unless this video caused a domino effect on people ordering it, it might take a little longer. So definitely get on it. If you're interested in different taillights, you want to stand out, this is probably one of our favorite taillight that we've seen in person. So we haven't installed it in the car yet, so another video will come soon. So make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. Catch you on next time.